Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Jarvis S. Scott with What's Happening in Birmingham. Today I have the honor and pleasure with Miss Jamekia Bies. She's with the H2o Foundation. I kind of like the acronym, Help to Others Foundation.
Yes, H2o.
Right. Thank you. Well, thank you for coming on today. So tell me about your great organization.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. The H2o Foundation is an organization that was created to provide financial and service assistance to individuals within the community. And what the H2o Foundation does is provide up to $500 a year, once a year, to individuals who qualify for the program. And so that assists with their water, sewer bill, as well as any plumbing repair needs they may have.
Now, that is very neat. And I know before the interview you told me about how people usually find out by your organizations through when they pay that water bill.
Yes. So it's one of the things we talk about now is a lot of people say, well, I've heard of the H2o Foundation, and that may be, one of two ways. One, if you are a Birmingham Waterworks customer, the H2o Foundation is on your bill where it says donate to. So you can make a one-time donation or you can make a monthly donation that's added to your current bill. And those funds come directly to the H2o Foundation. And then the other way is the H2o Foundation for the last 17 years has hosted a golf tournament that's normally in the fall. And so our golf tournament this year is September 1st, and all of those funds as well go to the H2o Foundation.
Oh, wow. So before we start, for people, I always say with my podcast, three type of people always tune in.
Yes.
People who never heard about you, people who know about you, and just nosy folks. So can I tell people who you are real quick?
Yes. So I am Jamekia Bies. I am the executive director of the H2o Foundation, and I am excited to serve and determine how we can be of a greater impact to the community.
Okay, so tell me the history, how you all started this.
So the foundation was started after individuals noticed or employees noticed that there was a need for senior citizens or our elderly population who needed assistance with their water bill. And so the goal was to create a program and a system to help. And that's kind of how the H2o Foundation was founded back in 2004.
Okay, so what we've been through the last 2 years with the pandemic. Did you notice like an uptick in usually people who usually will contact you all for help?
I think we've noticed an uptick just about in every service that everyone needs in addition to the water. And I think another part of that is a lot of social service agencies were providing services, but the H2o Foundation is the only foundation that specifies specifically in water.
Okay, so I call you saying I can't pay my water bill. What's the next steps? How you walk me through them?
So the next steps are if you contact the call center and say, hey, I need assistance with my water bill. If they determine that you qualify, you will be referred to the H2o Foundation. You can also call the H2o Foundation directly at our number. And then once you call, we determine eligibility, schedule an appointment. And with our partnership with Salvation Army, they actually provide the intake. So they will reach out to you, provide a appointment time. You may be required to bring in documentation.
Okay.
And once you are determined that you are eligible for that service, then you can receive up to $500.
Oh, wow. Okay. And then that even goes, is 500 just the limit, or is there more after that?
500 is the limit once a year. So if you come in and you need assistance with your water bill and it's 150, then that's what you get, 150. So it's just up to a max of $500.
Okay, well, I want to go back to the golf tournament. So with the golf tournament, you say you're doing it in September. What was the regular time you used to do it?
Well, it's always been in the fall, so it ranges just the dates based on what's available and when the golf course is available. But it is September 1st at the Oxmoor Ridge Golf Course. And so it is scheduled at tee time at 9 o'clock. So that information will be out soon. So anyone who wants to register, companies who want to sponsor the event, and sponsorship does come with a 4-man team. Okay, so as we head into the summer months, what usually your organization have to deal with, usually when people call and things like that? To be honest, it really doesn't change much. It's those individuals who need assistance based on their personal situation. And so their situation may change. Someone may have a job today and able to pay their water bill, but if something changes in their family dynamics and they need assistance, then they're welcome to give us a call and determine if they're eligible.
Okay. So if you're watching this video, I like this part, and what she's saying is tugging at your heartstrings, how can they donate?
Yes, again, if you are a Waterworks customer, please check that box on your water bill that says donate. If you go to the call center, you can drop money in the bucket and we pick that up as well. You can also go to our website at H2OBHAM.org, make a donation, and you can call us and we will give you the address to mail a check. So there's always an opportunity to donate, and those funds do go back to the community. So you are serving your neighbors in need.
Okay, well, thank you for coming on today. I'm going to bring you back on closer to the golf tournament. I keep thinking I'm not a golfer. I'm like 9 o'clock in the morning, but I know they play golf early at 9 though. They start off.
But you don't have to be a golfer. A lot of companies or individuals come out. They want to spend that time with their friends and family, and so they just come out for a round of golf. It includes lunch. You get to drive in the golf cart. So.
Now I like doing that. I like driving around in the golf cart.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make that one of my things to do this year. I'm gonna learn how to play golf. I don't know if I can do all 18 of the holes. I'm gonna try half of them.
Hey, yes, but we appreciate it, and it's our one fundraiser that supports our organization, so it's important.
Okay, well, I want to thank you for coming on today, but I want to thank you for the great work you do for the community, because even these times, people need some help.
Yes.
That rightfully just need some help. Not people just saying I'm not paying the bill, but some people need the help.
Yes, they do. And if you have questions, again, you can go to our website. There's a button that says contact us for information. You can send us an email or reach us by phone at 205-244-4390.
All right, Jamekia, thank you for coming on.
Thank you.
Thank you all for watching. Please check out what's happening in Birmingham.com for more interviews. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need 1,000 subscribers, everybody. And finally, I am on Apple Podcasts, so check out the audio version of this interview. Thank y'all again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.